how to make an image appear when hovering over text in Wix. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make an image appear when you're going to hover about a text into your Wix website. The process is going to be very easy and also animated. We're going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and then we're going to seek for the website that we have or we keep in mind. So we are going to add this option too, or this feature. So if you do not have currently a website, you can go ahead and visit up our channel and take advantage of the tutorials that we have put for the Wix Studio and also the normal Wix right there websites. So now aside from here, you're going to, or let's suppose that you have selected the website, you're going to see the dashboard of it. Now, what we're going to do is to click on a design site or edit site. And from here, we're going to see all of the, as you can see here, elements of the website. Now we're going to head over here. As you can see, I have created some of these sections already. I'm going to select one of the sections and we're going to add two elements. The first element is going to be, for example, a heading or a text. We're going to add it like that. I'm going to make it just like this. And the second thing, or the second thing that we need to do is to have here the light boxes. So we are going to see here if we are going to see them right there, or the hover boxes, not the light boxes, but the hover boxes. So you're going to see them under the interactive, as you can see, elements. So we are going to select one of the, as you can see, hover boxes. We're going to have it just like that. And we're going to make it a little bit smaller. So I'm not sure that if I can go ahead and make it a little bit smaller than that, but it is okay. So what I am going to do is to delete, as you can see for the regular and the hover, we have, so as you can see here, things. We're going to delete them. So I have made a mistake in here. So I'm going to delete basically the regular in here and the specific design. So we can go ahead and click on change, or we can go ahead and head over here and we're going to have here the image set up just like that. So the thing in here we need to do is to set up the image or delete the image in here. So we can go ahead and click on the image. So as you can see here, we have deleted the image or the regular and also the hover. The trick was only to click on the image inside of the hover box and get it as it is. So I'm going to put our hover box in here, and then we are going to attach our text to the hover box like this. Now we are going to click on the hover, and we are going to click on add to hover. From here, we are going to add an image. So let's say that we are going to add this. So we are going to have this image added right there. So I'm going to make this image a little bit smaller, so it is going to fit the hover box. So like that. I think this is going to be good. So this is on the hover. And here we have it. Now, when you are going to save and click on preview, you're going to see that when you're going to hover about the text, you're going to see the image. So here we have it. And now, moment of truth. When you're going to hover about the text, you're going to see this image. And there it is. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.